Reachable. We are with another Max video with a new jacket. Same shoes, but new jacket. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Watching the dog. Yeah. Yeah. You give up, doggy? Yeah. It's okay. You did great. You need a break, Max. Max, you're not even wearing a jacket. You're tired. There. I sit on the ground with you. I sit with you. And the ball. And the ball. Yeah. Max, you want to make more dog videos? Yeah. And get back into that. Yeah. Y'all saw nothing. Max. I touched his teeth. I know half of the family that see this is gonna get mad at me for that. Max, you want the ball? Ball. And he give up. Sometimes I just sit here when my dog abandons me, trying to go back inside. When I just sit here, I'm like, why does he want to go inside? The best parts are out here. It's more fun, especially when I'm here. And there's squirrels. Yeah, no, he wants to go in there. And it's strange to me. I don't question it because it's Max. I don't question it. Just looking up at the sky, waiting for my dog to come back over here. See, nothing's in there. It's out here. Just me and you, bud. Me and you. I don't know what's happening in there, but it really does got his attention. My dog just won't come over here. He really loves the door. I did not almost drop my phone. You just gonna stay here? That's what we do now? Max, take the ball. What was that for? It didn't do nothing to you.